Hi, today I'd like to share another one of these hidden hise functions with you. This again is one that won't show up in the API browser or the autocomplete, and this is the parseInt function. And this takes a text string of a number and returns an integer. So we'll create a variable called n, and we'll set this as a number, which is going to be a string, so it's not actually a number value. It's a string containing a number, so let's put 1, 2, 3 for example. And if we check the type of this variable with the type of command, type n there, and I hit F5, it's going to output string to the console. You see, it says it's a string because that's what it is. And if we actually output the value, it prints out 1, 2, 3. So nothing unexpected there. But if we do parseInt and now put in n, again we get 1, 2, 3. But if we do type of, it now says it's a number. So it's converted a string to a number. So not a hugely useful function most of the time, but there are occasions when you might need to convert a string representation of a number to a number. And the most common instance of this is when you're taking user input through an editable label, for example. The user types in a number, that's going to be a string, and you need to convert it to an integer. Another use of this function is to round a floating point number. So if we get rid of this type of thing, and we'll add a decimal point and a few digits after our number. And we're still using the parseInt function, so what we're going to see down here is we're going to see this number rounded to the nearest integer. So it's going to round it to the nearest whole number. So again, 1, 2, 3, and it's done the string conversion as well. But this works with numbers as well, so now we've got an actual number data type. And I hit F5, and again it rounds it down to 1, 2, 3. So it's a function that does two things. It rounds floating point numbers down to integers, and it also converts strings to integers. So a versatile function, I'm sure you'll find some use for it in your script. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.